All right, next up we got the Joker. This is one of those S&S freespin coasters. I like these. A lot of people don't like them for whatever reason, but I really enjoy them. It's a different ride experience every time. So let's go take it for a ride.
Riders, are you ready?
All right, here we are on the Joker 4D freespin coaster from S&S.
Clear?
Let's take it for a ride.
Hold on tight, enjoy your ride.
Okay, you guys have an idea to enjoy a ride on the Joker. Have fun.